Hello dear students, welcome to the second session of composition writing. We know that composition is an original piece of continuous writing. There are 5 types of composition, that is descriptive, narrative, argumentative, short story and picture composition. In our previous video, we discussed about the first 3 types of composition. In today's session, we will study the remaining 2 types of composition writing, that is, the short story and picture composition. Now, let's have a quick recap of the first 3 types of compositions. First is descriptive composition. It is a piece of writing which provides a vivid picture of a person, location, an object or event. Here you need to respond to all your 5 senses. Second is narrative composition, which is a narration of an event or series of events set in a sequence. A narrative composition uses a chronological order in which the events have happened. The third is argumentative composition, which seeks to state a position on an issue and gives several reasons supported by evidence for agreeing with that position. Here you need to decide whether you are going to write for or against the subject matter. Our next type of composition is story writing. A story needs 3 elements. First is plot. Plot, which refers to a series of events that take place. It introduces the characters, initiate conflict, and generate circumstances. A good plot consists of an introduction, rising action, a climax, the falling action, and a resolution. Next element is characters. Characters are 3-dimensional thinking and feeling individuals. Thoughts and actions of the characters should be engaging. The nature of the characters is revealed by their words and actions. The last one is atmosphere, which includes time, culture, location, tone, and social background of the story. The blending of people, events, and setting creates the atmosphere. How to write a story? First of all, sketch the plot clearly in your mind. Build a story around the theme if given. If you have to begin or end your story with a particular sentence, evolve a theme or plot so that the sentence fits naturally and does not appear to be artificially imposed. Insert dialogues only if necessary. Provide a suitable heading. Give a proper ending to your story. Don't end your story abruptly. Humor is given merit in case of a story that has an element of surprise. Use grammatically correct expressions. Dear students, here I have shared a few sample short stories with you. you may need to write a short story with the given beginning line. Another way is that you may need to end the story with the given ending in the question. You may also get some theme or characters. You need to include all the information given in the question while writing the short story. Picture composition. A picture composition may be defined as a piece of writing which is based on and is inspired by pictures. Here, the picture serves as a stimulus to which you are expected to respond. Types of picture composition. Based on the picture, you can write a story or a description or an account of the ideas and feelings that the picture suggests to you. You will have to choose any of the type of writing. However, for each of them, different approach of writing would have to be adopted. You need to begin your description by concentrating on the details given in the picture and then widen the focus to take a broader view. Tips to write a picture composition. Take a careful look at the picture with a view to ascertain the plot or the theme. If the picture contains some character, a careful observation of the facial expressions, gestures, clothes can provide you valuable clues to the story. Also observe the background of the picture. You might note some covered details which can add value to your composition. Remember, mere description of the picture is not accepted. Ask yourself, what is happening in the picture? Who is doing what and to whom? Why is it happening? Or when is it happening? Never leave out any information. Conclude by summarizing the causes and their effects that you observe in the picture. Dear students, now observe the picture shown on your screen. What do you observe? Check the background. Observe the characters, their facial expressions, gestures, clothes. Try to find their relation. What are they doing? What may happen next? Now, give a proper beginning, body, and ending to your composition. There must be a clear connection between the picture and your composition. Now let us have a look at some valuable guidelines for composition writing. Your composition must be original. Word limit is 300 to 350 words. Give a suitable title. Do not deviate from the topic. Stick to the point. No abbreviations or slang words should be used. Your composition must be written in paragraphs. Stick to the past tense as far as possible. Use clear and concise language. Dear students, now it is time for an assignment. Write an original short story beginning with the following lines. One day while I was returning from the school, I saw a huge crowd on the middle of the road. I rushed towards the crowd and shocked to see Or write an original short story which brings out the truth of the saying, actions speak louder than words. You need to do the given assignments in your English language notebook. At the end, I just want to say, dream big, be creative, stay positive, and enjoy your learning. Thank you.